Hi, my name is Gayatri, and I'm officially starting my own YouTube channel. So I just thought of starting it with sharing one of my personal life story. Why am I sharing it? I'll let you guys know by the end of this video. So yeah, I was in 11th or 12th standard in junior college, and me and one of my friend we participated in a singing competition. Okay, and it was just a day before the competition when we enrolled ourselves, so we didn't really get to practice. And I was just confident that yeah, ho jayega. I mean, we just have to go on stage and sing. That's it, right? Because I've done that in schools as well. So we went on stage, and I looked at the crowd and I got blank. In fact, both of us got blank. We forgot the lyrics. The music started playing, and we were just looking at everyone like, oh God. And we said, wait, we forgot the lyrics. And then we pulled out our phone and we opened the lyrics, and then we were like, okay, let's do it. So they started the music again, and we started singing. And trust me, that was the worst you would have ever heard. And literally everyone in the crowd, they started laughing on our faces. And not just that, within just few seconds they stood up and they started running out of the auditorium, and that was so embarrassing. I mean, we are there on the stage, two little kids trying to perform somehow. They are scared, they are shivering, but still, I mean, I know it's obvious people are going to run out of the auditorium because our performance was so bad, but still we felt we were so hurt. And that was really embarrassing because when I went into junior college, I had this you know uh, thing in my mind that I'm going to give my best in everything. I'm going to create an impression on my whole college. But this was the first impression I created, and I felt so bad because obviously when you keep that expectations with yourself and you're not able to meet that expectation, that hurts. That, oh God, this is not something I wanted to do for myself. So I went back home that day, locked myself inside the room, and I was crying like crazy. And I was not ready to go back to college the next day because, I mean, I'll be walking in the campus and people will be looking at me and they'll be like, hey, she's the one who sang so bad yesterday. And I was not ready to face it. I was not ready to face all those people. So yeah, I cried for some few hours, and after that, something changed in me that day. I was like, all right, embarrassment तो face कर लिया, तो अब बचा क्या है? Now let me do it the other way. Let me make sure that I put myself into such embarrassing moments again and again and again until until it's not a fear anymore. So I decided to go back, face all those people, because the more you face your fear, it's not fear anymore. It doesn't scare you anymore. So since then, I have participated, I've pushed myself to participate in all the competitions, all the intra college, inter college competitions, just to make sure that I go on stage, I face people, and I do not shiver. I mean, I'm so glad that that embarrassing moment happened, because if that wouldn't have happened, I would not have really taken the step to make myself who I am today, right? So everything happens for a reason, I believe. And I'm so glad that I never stopped since then. And now the reason I'm sharing this story, because obviously all of us go through some or the other moment in life that that really makes us question ourselves, that really makes us feel like, how am I going to face people now? Because it's not me who did something stupid, it's just that people are going to look at me and they are going to have that preconceived notion that, oh God, she is or he is like this. And I'm also making this video for myself, so that in future, if ever I feel like mujhse nahi ho raha hai, or I just want to give up, this will remind me of what kind of kid I was. A stubborn kid, This will remind me of who I was and what I have made out of myself. This will remind me of not giving up, because the other side of it is always the best one. So, yes, with this, I officially welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The journey has just begun. There is so much to take away from this place for you and for me. So, welcome.